All right, you guys, we're going to take all of our clothes out of the dressers, baskets, closet, wherever they've been for God knows how long. And we are going to organize them into piles that we're keeping. That's my donate pile, you guys. Summer clothes, hang up stuff. I do like dresses, dress shirts, and sweaters and stuff. Yes, I need to dust. I got my husband this shirt, y'all. It is accurate, and I cannot wait until he wears it. I'm going to force it on him. And then, so basically we took everything and put it from this side of the room to this side of the room, but it's organized chaos now. That pile behind there is my husband's clothes. I ain't touching them. Guys, I had like 4 bags of donations. I emptied 3 baskets. The 2.5 bags are summer clothes. That crap I need to hang up, and I kept putting it off. I got everything folded and organized into my drawers so I can easily grab my outfits for the next morning. We got some trash, some linens, and some shoes that we're going to list. And then we're going to hang up our dressy stuff, bulky stuff, all that good stuff, and put it nice and neat in our closet. I probably should do color coding, but I ain't got time for that. Y'all, look at this husband. Look at this husband's mess. See, I'm the clean one. At least now I am. And now look at my beautiful little room. I do still need to dust, but I'm putting that off. Thank you for watching. Okay, love you, bye.